Have you ever paused to ponder what truly sets millionaires apart? Is it simply a matter of luck or inheritance? Or could it be something more profound, something that lies within their mind and their approach towards wealth creation? Today, we venture into the intriguing world of wealth builders, the individuals who have harnessed the power of their mindsets to amass fortunes. Picture this: a young person, fresh out of college, burdened by student loans and working a 9-to-5 job. This is a familiar story, isn't it? But here's where our story takes a different turn. This person, let's call them Alex, didn't accept this as their final destiny. Alex decided to take control of their financial future. The first step on Alex's journey was a shift in mindset. Instead of viewing money as a scarce resource, Alex started to see it as a tool, a means to create more wealth. They began to understand the concept of making money work for them instead of the other way around. Next, Alex developed a solid financial plan. They started to budget and save aggressively. They cut down on unnecessary expenses, prioritized their needs over wants, and gradually began to free themselves from the shackles of debts. But saving was only a part of the strategy. Alex understood that to build substantial wealth, they had to make their money grow. And so they ventured into the world of investments. They started small, learning about different investment avenues, understanding the risks, and slowly but surely, they began to see their wealth multiply. Over time, Alex's wealth grew, and so did their confidence. They diversified their investment portfolio, ventured into real estate and stocks, and even started their own business. Alex's story is not an overnight success story. It is a testament to the power of a disciplined approach, strategic planning, and above all, a millionaire mindset. Now, you might be wondering, how can I replicate Alex's success? How can I cultivate a millionaire mindset? Well, the answer lies in continuous learning and adaptation. And what better way to learn than from the experts themselves? Don't miss out on the golden opportunity to gain insights from Duchess DJ Love, the renowned wealth builder and author of the best-selling book on financial freedom. Duchess DJ Love's upcoming webinar is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering invaluable insights into wealth creation, smart investments, and much more. So, are you ready to embark on your journey towards financial freedom? Are you ready to cultivate your millionaire mindset? If so, then gear up for an enriching experience with Duchess DJ Love's webinar. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and transform your financial future. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are ready to elevate their financial game. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your wealth.